And well, ahead of the 2025 Chhath Puja, politics over the cleanliness of Yamuna has erupted as BJP claims the river is fit for rituals. The Aam Aadmi Party is far from convinced. NDTV's Shreya Ghosh took a reality check of the Yamuna bank and spoke to BJP spokesperson Anil Sharma. Take a look.
Drink this if it is clean. The Aam Aadmi Party has challenged the BJP right ahead of the Chhath Puja, which is going to be celebrated by a large number of Purvanchalis in the national capital from day after tomorrow, 25th of October to 28th. And as you can see the visuals behind me, women here are coming already to, prep up right before the Chhath Puja. But the larger question that we are raising here is that, is Yamuna really clean for the immersion? Because we understand that for Chhath Puja, women in large numbers, they arrive here for the holy immersion. And this time around with the BJP-led Delhi government, how much of this Yamuna has been cleaned up? This is something that we will have to question. Of course, as the visuals that you're getting from here, it is quite stark, that the froth, the toxic froth is completely absent, except for a little here and there. You can see the water is quite clean, but how much of this water is actually drinkable, that is something that we will have to wait and watch, and we will have to test the water. But remember that in March this year, a report was presented by DPCC, the pollution board, and there it clearly said that the water level, the Yamuna quality, the quality of the Yamuna water is 42 times more, toxic than its safer limits. I have with me Yamuna expert, Yamuna activist, Mr. Devan Singh. Thank you so much, sir, for speaking to NDTV. Sir, my first question to you is, what is your first immediate reaction after seeing the Yamuna like this?
See, this time you can see the froth in the Yamuna. It's always, every year we see this, and they're trying to hide it by spraying defoamers on it, which is not a good thing. They're trying to kill the symptoms, where the problem underneath is lying as it is. So they're masking the problem and trying to, fool the public that Yamuna is better, whereas nothing such is there.
इस बार पानी कैसा लग रहा है? आप पानी में बहुत टाइम से मैं देख रही हूँ आप पूजा कर रहे हो. आप पिछले साल इधर आए थे?
पिछले साल से बढ़िया है आज पानी.
और इस बार
सही है पानी.
In election, we committed to clean River Yamuna for 3 years. But now only 8 months have passed. And this is the report of DPCC for August and September. And in this premises, there is an online monitoring. Right. For last 11 years, the dissolved oxygen at Kalandi was 0. And today you are standing here, dissolved oxygen 4.5 to 5.5. The pH is 7.5. Just now I did Achman 7 times. That shows the quality is improved. I'm not saying it has been totally cleaned, right. But for Chhath Puja, we have made the Yamuna, not only the God has helped us in this, for doing the Chhath Puja in the Yamuna Ghat.
As you heard from the locals here, from the political person, from the experts, we've given you a holistic picture for you to decide if the BJP-led Delhi government has actually been able to successfully bring down Yamuna pollution or not. With camera person Aman, this is Shreya Ghosh for NDTV.